In this video, I'm reviewing Airlearn, a language learning app designed to help you study languages through short lessons, structured practice, and spaced repetition techniques. I explored it specifically to see how it works for learning Italian, and in this review, I'll walk you through the setup, the main features, and my overall thoughts after testing it. If you're considering using Airlearn to improve your Italian, this will give you a clear idea of what to expect. Getting started with Airlearn was simple. I downloaded the app from the App Store, signed in, and quickly selected Italian as my target language. The interface is clean and very mobile-focused. It's clearly designed for short study sessions rather than long, intensive lessons. I noticed that the app moves you into practice quite quickly. There isn't a long theoretical introduction. Instead, you start interacting with vocabulary and phrases almost immediately. Now let's talk about what Airlearn actually offers for Italian learners. Short, structured lessons. The lessons are broken down into small, bite-sized sections. I found that each unit is easy to complete in just a few minutes, which makes it practical if you're studying during breaks or commuting. The content focuses on vocabulary, useful phrases, and sentence structures you would use in everyday Italian situations. Spaced repetition and active recall. One of the core ideas behind Airlearn is spaced repetition. Instead of just showing vocabulary once, the app brings words and phrases back over time. I noticed that terms I struggled with appeared again later, which helps reinforce memory. There's also a flashcard-style system that supports active recall. Rather than passively reading, I had to retrieve the answer myself, which can improve retention. Progress tracking. Airlearn includes progress tracking and streak-style motivation. I could see my progress through lessons and track consistency. This adds a light gamification layer, but it's not overly game-heavy. It feels more structured than entertainment-based. So if you like reviewing vocabulary through repetition and organized sets, this format may suit you. Overall, Airlearn feels like a structured, repetition-based study tool for Italian vocabulary and phrases. It works well if you prefer short daily sessions and don't want to commit to long study blocks. If you enjoy learning through flashcards and spaced repetition, and you're looking for something straightforward and easy to use on your phone, this type of structure may feel comfortable and practical for your routine. There are free daily lessons available, but unlimited access requires a premium plan or ticket. So depending on how intensively you want to study, that's something to consider. It doesn't focus heavily on deep grammar explanations or long conversational simulations. Instead, it emphasizes consistent review and memory reinforcement. So if you're exploring different ways to learn Italian, Airlearn is one option built around repetition and structured practice. That said, there is another tool that I would also recommend checking out, and that's Think in Italian. Think in Italian is an all-in-one platform that helped me go from memorizing words to actually speaking Italian and thinking in it. It combines structured audio lessons, bite-sized bilingual readings, and a super customizable AI tutor that makes learning feel natural and personal. Let's start with the audio lessons. These are made up of bilingual sentences, like mini dialogues, that show you exactly how to say things in Italian. They're organized into 3 parts, A, B, and C. So it's not just repetition, it actually builds your understanding gradually. I can control the playback speed, adjust the volume, and if I ever get stuck, I just click on any word or sentence and it breaks it down for me. It's a great way to learn grammar patterns and vocabulary without the overwhelm. Honestly, I started recognizing sentence structures and building phrases way faster than with traditional lessons. It just feels more intuitive, more like how we learned our first language. Then there are the readings, which are quick 1-minute stories, jokes, dialogues, or even songs. Each one comes with Italian and English audio and a bilingual transcript, so I can listen, follow along, and really see how the language works in context. There are over 1,200 of these, and I love how I can fit them into my day, even when I just have 5 minutes. Now this is where it gets really cool, the AI tutor. This is where I get to talk in Italian, either by typing or recording my voice, and get instant feedback. I can have a casual chat, practice a role-play situation like ordering food or booking a hotel, or even review the lessons I've completed. It adjusts to my level, and the suggestions it gives help me express myself more naturally. Sometimes I'm not sure what to say next, so I just click a button, and it suggests sentences to keep the conversation going. There's even a settings menu where I can change the tutor's personality, tweak how it interacts with me, and see my conversation history. After a few messages, I can even download my chats to track progress over time, which I find super useful. So yeah, between the structured lessons, bite-sized content, and the AI conversation tool, Think in Italian really covers all the angles. It's been the most well-rounded and flexible platform I've used so far to actually speak Italian, not just study it. If you're looking for something that's intuitive, fun, and helps you practice real-world Italian every day, I'd definitely say give it a try. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out.